Rescues Crypto Cave here, and today finally it's not raining. I'm finally gonna get a chance to install the Wingbits device. Probably gonna be installing it not ideally where I want to, but I'm going to install it on the shed, which we'll go out and take a look and see where that's at. I can't remember the location where I first had a GeoNet. I'm gonna put it there for now, but let's open up the box, see what we got. You've all seen these before from everybody else's unboxings. A little QR code for the installation guide. The mounting hardware, power cable, power plug adapter, I guess it looks like, and another power adapter. There's the one I'm going to need for North America. Wingbits sticker. Stickers always add hash rate if you don't know. And a little coupler for Ethernet. And then I believe this cable is about 30 feet long. So it has that end screws into the actual device itself, and then these two go in to connect to power and Ethernet. So, DC mounting pole, another Wingbits sticker, and then this device is actually not sponsored, even though I'm doing it like an unboxing, like it's a sponsored video, but this is not. I did buy this with my own money. So, but then this is the device itself. There is where the dual cable goes, where the power and Ethernet goes in that one. That pole screws in right there. And then this little rubber cap comes off the top for the antenna. And the antenna will screw on top of there. So, we're going to go outside. I'll show you where I'm going to install this in the shed, and then we'll get her up and running. And then here we are out at the shed. There is the mounting bracket and pole that I had the Wingbits device, or not the Wingbits, the GeoNet device on. So that is where I'm going to install the Wingbits device temporarily until I can get up on the roof and get it installed properly where I really want it to install. And you might be able to see right below the bracket I have there is a hole already in there. Sun peeking through the clouds, now it's getting real bright. But that's where the power will get routed into the shed and get everything hooked up. So we'll be back out here. I'm going to get hooked up and set up. Probably not going to be able to show a lot of the installation process just because I'm going to be doing it, and also maybe doxing myself, because it shows you pretty much like your location. So we'll basically get everything installed, set up and running, and then we'll be back when that's complete. Alright, as you can see, got her installed. Probably not the best location, but it is up there. It is online. It shows in the portal. The only thing I have to do now is just silicone the hole where the wires go in. You can see we're head up the ladder. Got silicone that yet, but for the time being, it should be all right. You can see the wires coming in. It's just kind of half-assed, draped over the CMP card rig. And you can see they are still on. One's on Ergo, one's on Zealous. Not sure which one's which. Pretty much 104 is turned off. This one is solo mining to my own node. That's the S19K Pro 120 running at about 100 terahash. 3080s are all off. That KS0 original is still running, solo mining to Casper pool. This one is giving me issues finally. I mean, it's been 2 years or so now. Been overclocked at that first overclock option that came out. It's cool to the touch. It is not mining. I gotta mess around with it and see if I can get into the OS, into the dashboard and stuff, and see if I can maybe like flash it back to stock and see if I can get it to work again. Or I have a paperweight, so not sure. But that one did die. They did pay themselves off, thank God. Unlike the AL0, which I did move my AL0 out here. I'm going to be moving the RX0 out as well. But yeah, it's may have a nice aluminum paperweight there. But anyway, not a whole lot has changed. I actually finally took the plastic off the bottom just today for the bottom vents, because I didn't really need the airflow, just because there's only a handful of rigs running in here, so not getting too hot yet. So these guys still need to clean them up. But yeah, I haven't been out here in a while because there's not a whole lot of shit going on. So for the time being, I'm going to leave the Wingbits where it's at, and then because my dad's been borrowing my truck, and I kind of need to put the ladder in the truck bed to get up on the roof. And so until I can get that back, it's going to be where it's at. I'm not going to be moving it. So, but it's there. Not the best, not the highest. Actually, it's probably going to be pretty shitty because I just noticed, boom, right there's the house. God damn it. Oh well. But it did notice it, registered online, and then I'll probably, once I move it, my rewards will get better and stuff like that. So we'll deal with that then. But for the time being, it is at least up and running. And then we'll start seeing how much Wingbits it's earning in its current spot, which is probably not going to be that good. But oh well. We'll get it up on the roof in a higher location at some point in the future. Alrighty, we're in the house on a computer now. As you can see, my Wingbits location claim, GPS online, everything is up and running. No rewards yet, but I'm guessing that will take some time to populate, but everything looks good. We'll let this go for about a week or two, and then we'll give an update as far as what it's earning in its current spot. And we'll basically test to see what it earned, where it's at, and then do that for however long, and then once I get it moved, and then we'll kind of start over again and see the improvement, basically. So we'll check that out, and until the next video, we'll catch you later.